Here we have a stunning 1941 Lincoln Continental Coupe. This car came into us just the way you see it, out of a collection of nearly 15 cars. This was one of the ones that they enjoyed having around and driving and having some fun with. These Continentals is first year the Continental Coupe of this body style, and it's pretty popular. We'll get a look down the side here. Again, you'll be able to see nice straight body. Pay attention to the reflection there. Paint is nice. Body lines are good. Shot up high there too. All those little white spots there, by the way, those are the reflection of the lights in the building here, just so you know. We'll get a walk around here. Nice big fender skirts that, of course, these Lincolns had. Car shows very, very well. Even the chrome bumpers, the hubcaps are nice and shiny. The stainless trim around the belt line, around the windows, and so on. All of that's in overall very nice shape. I did not see any sort of major pitting or things like that that you'll see sometimes on these cars with older trim. Shows very, very well. I might add, you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. There you'll have a full description of the car, this video, of course, and all the still pictures of the inside, outside, underside, everything you need. Speaking of inside, we'll take a look here. Again, you can see the upholstery is in good condition as well. The seat shows a little bit of wear, you can see, but nothing terrible. I like the combination of the dark red outside and this kind of a creamy white interior. It's a great combination, classy looking. Previous owner had the dash refurbished, and as you can see, it's got a full set of dolphin gauges there. It also has air conditioning, power windows, of course. Now you might notice it's got a Cadillac emblem here. It does have a Cadillac steering column. This car is a mild hot rod or street rod, I suppose you'd call it. It has a Chrysler 413 under the hood and aftermarket air conditioning on it as well. It's got front disc brakes. All kinds of goodies. We'll get under the hood here in a little bit. So I'd show you the front end here. You can get a good shot of the chrome and the grills. Again, the grills in very nice shape. No major pitting or anything like that. It's beautiful. Of course, these cars originally came with a V12 that was ominous looking, but not a whole lot of power. So it just kind of depends on what you're into. I'll get the hood opened up and we'll get this fired up for you.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Okay, we'll go ahead and get it fired up here. There we go. And you can see fuel gauge, oil pressure gauge, voltmeter. Obviously the temps down because it's cold. Let's take a look under the hood. Oh, I should point out also, this car, excuse me, this car has a, it needs to be started and left in neutral and then use the parking brake. There is not a park position on the car, so you leave the car in neutral, use the parking brake, and you're golden. All right, under the hood, as I mentioned, we've got a 413 Chrysler engine. A lot of these old Lincolns back in the day, and still would, a lot of folks would take the V12 out and put in Chrysler or Cadillac engines. We see a lot of these come in that way. As you can hear, this car is running very nicely. It's got some good equipment too. As you can see, it's got power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. It does also have front disc brakes as well. So it's kind of a quiet modded car that you can go out and drive, and absolutely the car retains all of its class from the way it was in the factory. No body modifications or anything like that. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. Get some of the modern goodies and get all the classic look. So you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Trade-ins are considered. Financing is available, and extended warranties are available to help protect your purchase after the sale.